So this awesome set of monkey bars is put into the ground without any concrete, and it's fully made out of metal. And the best part is you can hang a swing off of it. So that means it's super sturdy. So this thing here has legs that are 3.5 meters long that go into the ground. They go 1/2 meter deep, and then the soil gets pushed up of this, and that's the only way they're anchored to the floor. And that's just absolutely incredible, and they are super sturdy. This is one of the sturdiest set of monkey bars that I've ever seen, and that tells something. So this is the Berg Play Base. I recently bought this. It is expensive, I must say. It's 1,800 euros. The cheapest version is 1,000 euros, and there's something in the middle that's 1,500 euros. So it sets you back a lot of money. But the cool thing about this is that it's made out of steel, and that is the problem that I always had with DIY pull-up bars. Even though those are the videos that grew this channel, the fact that you have to have wooden poles that you set into concrete, where the wooden poles can potentially rot. The concrete could have made not so good, because I'm not really skilled with concrete. So there's a lot of things that are set up for failure, and that concerns me, that bothers me, because I want to have a pull-up bar in my yard that lasts me a long time. I bought this house for life. That justifies the price for me. Maybe it doesn't for you, but I just wanted to share that there are pull-up bars out there that you can set into the ground without using concrete, and I just find that super awesome. Let me show you how we built this. The assembly starts with just setting up the rack, which is super awesome. We did that mostly inside because it was raining. Then we needed to haul everything outside where we can set it up, because yeah, this thing is 2.45 meters high when it's in the ground. So that means that you have to add another 1/2 meter. So this thing is like 3 meters high. So no way I could build this into my house. So we had to get it outside and had to build it like that. And it looked super big. I was like concerned that this wouldn't fit in my yard. Then the next day we dug some holes. So the thing that you do is you dig 4 holes for the feet, and those are holes that are 50 to 60 centimeters deep. And then you build trenches that connect the 2 feet where the pipes go, and then you set everything into the ground. Luckily for us, we surgically removed the grass so that it could be saved afterwards. And we put the grass back in place, and everything looked super clean. There are only 4 posts that come out of the ground to make this awesome construction. So I really love how it looks, and I already tested the swing, and this thing does not budge. So it's super awesome. I'm very glad that we got this. It's not a sponsored video, it's just me trying to share an awesome product, because I really stand behind this. I really dig the fact that just with digging, we can get this thing into the ground and have it solid. And I didn't have to tinker around with concrete for this one. Also, the reason why I don't really like concrete is because the grass won't grow as good over that. So that's also probably a concern people have. So yeah, that's why I think this is a very cool product. It is expensive, but hopefully it will last me way longer than a regular pull-up bar would. Check this product out. Let me know what you think. Let me know if there's some way that your brain works that you can DIY this and that would be super awesome. I'm happy to discuss, and I guess I'll be seeing you all in the next video. Peace!